Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing Cleer's Arc earbuds, and they are over-the-ear earbuds. And what they have to offer, it's actually pretty neat technology. They come with 16.2 millimeter drivers right here with a customized DSP. And if you have it on bass enhanced mode, you can actually customize your EQ levels and controls with the Cleer Plus app. So that's the right earbud right there, and this is the left. You can have clear calls with beamforming technology, and there are two microphone design right there. They're called open ear headphones, so they're not quite earbuds and they're not quite headphones. So that's what they look like right there. They're actually pretty comfortable on the ear, and if you want to recharge this, you get up to 7 hours of playback with a full charge on these, and in a 10-minute quick charge with this USB-A cable right here, you get 1 hour of playback. So that's really good for charging these and for playback. But the 16.2 millimeter drivers, usually you get 4 or 7. They don't really go up to any more than 10. So 16.2 is actually pretty big. And the battery power is in here, and you get all the DSP technology right in here on each earbud. And of course the rechargeable charging case. It actually looks nice when it's closed. Has that nice design like that. Here's the bottom of the case, also nice as well. I like that it comes with a full case with a zipper, so these will not fall out. And you can pair them easily via Bluetooth. Here are the power buttons. They'll pair with themselves and then to the device that you're connected to, either the iPhone or the Android. And that is the Cleer Arc earbuds with an open ear design. Actually, they're going to be coming out with Arc 2, so look for those from Cleer as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.